Okay. This pan is pretty much toast. Time to switch it up to the cast iron. My taters were a little bit bland, so I added in some Clubhouse garlic plus. This stuff is awesome. Oh, this is hilarious. I'm binge watching Modern Refugee right now. My tripod is pooched. I need a new tripod, but I just watched the funniest video. Binge watching to help him out on his channel. He ran into some SHTF and financial stuff to do with medical. So I laughed my butt off there. That was hilarious. Thanks for the laugh. Oh, and I had a minor explosion of paprika. That's why it's important to keep stuff in jars. So I'm not gonna let it go to waste. Never let a good crisis go to waste. So our garlic and our peppers are taking a little bit longer to constitute. Our mushrooms, tomatoes, and onions are good to go. Just give it a little bit more time. Peppers and garlic. Damn chickens laying frozen eggs again. Thaw them out. Wait till they're room temperature. Got several that are cracked. This is a little basket that I picked up while we were in the city yesterday doing some thrift store shopping. Super cute. A little bit much for it though, $5.99, but it's super cute. Yes, you can use frozen eggs. Room temperature, thaw them out. No waste. Was it like home economics or something where you carried around an egg? Or was that parenting class? Parenting class or something. Oh, I never took the class. We're gonna carry some eggs and preheat our oven. We're gonna preheat it to bake 400. Here's something else I picked up too. A stainless steel wine goblet. Fun. Some people are really good at that one-handed egg cracking. I am not one of them. I'm gonna save the shells too. The juice for the chickens. Pressure can cheese. I don't think I would can it again. Weird. Weird. Now for this part, you kind of want something that's a little messy. Before I might want to mix in some more egg with some more egg. Okay, looking good. I'm gonna finish it off with some shredded nacho cheese blend. Breakfast with champions right here. Vegan friends would be cringing. Hey, we're going into the oven. Set the timer for 10 minutes and see how they look. Quite done. Let's go for another 4 minutes. And there we have it. 14 minutes of cook time. Let's see what they look like on the inside. Loosen it up around the edge. When in doubt, use a little bit of butter. Loosen it up. Here we have it. Breakfast mini quiches. Don't forget to scrape the bacon off the bottom too. Next time I'm gonna need some more bacon grease or oil. See what they look like on the inside and see what they taste like. And it wouldn't be complete without some hot sauce. I've yet to make my own hot sauce, but I got lots of peppers. And homemade. Oh yeah, that's beautiful consistency too. Let's cut and see. Okay. There we go. Yum. That hot sauce is hot. Perfect Sunday brunch. And that cheese at the bottom, cheese on the top. Awesome. Using PREPS. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.